Hello guys, this is Mark from Always Soul 123. Welcome to Fort Lauderdale. This video walk around for 2003 Honda CR-V. Why I have this Honda CR-V? Because it's nice, it's funky, it's beautiful, it's four-wheel drive, it's one owner, clean Carfax with just 100,000 miles. Yes, 22-year-old car with 100,000 miles. Let's look at it quickly from every angle. Then we go inside and we go outside, on the bottom, on the top. Let's look at here. Alright, okay, so let's start from the front. We got windshield, nice, no cracks, original Honda, guys. What it means, you know what it means. Alright, it's not aftermarket. Alright, nice fenders here. Headlights, no cracks in the headlights. Bumper is nice. Take a look, that's a bumper. Looks like it's original too. You got some, no, it's not a rock chip. Okay, you got maybe a few rock chips, which is okay, because this vehicle is 20 years old. With having no rock chips will be weird. Okay, all right, so you got 205 70 15 with tires in the front, okay, 50-60%, not brand new, obviously. You got a nice door panel. I don't see any damages. You probably also don't see any damages. You see nice another panel, and little ding right here. I'm sure it doesn't matter. You got quarter panel is nice. You got another tire right here, which is 205 70 15. I don't know if the same thing. We're gonna take a look on the other side. Okay, these lights, these no cracks. I don't see any cracks on this light or this light. I don't see any cracks right here. You got a spear. I don't know how to remove this. Where is that zipper? Where is the zipper? Okay guys, I don't know how the zipper works, so right there, there's there. Okay, I'm sure it's there. You got back door, opens nicely, holds very good. Look, boom, not loose. Okay, door jambs, take a look, no rust. Door jambs, huge space in the trunk, cargo cover, and good headliner, which is not sagging. Take a look. All right, so whoa, look at that. We're gonna push right here and see what's in here, and I have no idea what that is, why there's a big hole right here. Okay, it looks like a jack right here. Yeah, the jack is right here, and what, the spear is on the bottom. Let's go here. Oh, looks like it's nice, very nice over here on the bottom. Look at that, look at that. The frame looks good, it looks good. So I'm guessing if I don't see the spare, then I don't have the spare here, or you're supposed to be something here, or you gotta take this off. I don't know, guys. Anyways, hold on, I'm an idiot. The spare is right here. Guys, I'm just having fun with you. Obviously there's no spare. Okay, on the back, because it's right there. Anyways, I don't know how to make this fun. I like this car. I bought this car because I like it. I think it's very funky, and it's four-wheel drive, real-time four-wheel drive. All right, and people love it. I think this is one of the most reliable CR-Vs ever they made. Also the other ones, 97s. I like those 97s through 99s. Okay, so we got tire right here. All right, let's go on the bottom. That's the bottom of the car. Look at that. And by the way, vehicle is running. Let me go in here. Door panel looks nice. Window works. Seats. Take a look at the seat. Look at these seats. I like this material. You got a floor mat right here, and the back seats. No rips, nothing broken, nothing. And by the way, non-smoker, guys. Does not smell like cigarettes or dogs, cats, vodka, whatever. Doesn't smell anything. You got nice seat, you got wear and tear right here, obviously. Cold AC, a 108,950 with miles. 908,950, and the cool dashboard. No cracks in the dashboard. beautiful. I don't know what else to actually show you because it's so simple and nice. You got 12 volt, you got a cup holder, and you got a storage. You can lower this thing. I don't know how to do it. Gonna open up the hood. What's good in the hood? All right, you got 2 windows. All the windows work, okay? I don't know if that window opens, flips or opens, so we're not gonna try it right now. But anyways, let's go here. Take a look. Okay, you got a nice battery. Looks like it's a newer battery. All right, you got a nice engine over here. Look at that. Beautiful. Big numbers right here. Big number right here. Take a look. Okay, all right, guys. Friendly disclosure: this vehicle is sold as this. Obviously, 20 years old. Taxes, fees, registration is not included in price, obviously, and shipping is not included in the price. If you wanted to ship, we can get you the shipping. We make sure you get the car. That's what we do. We make sure you will get your car. That's the best that we can do. All right, guys. Shipping, by the way, I think $1 to $1.50 a mile. Keep that in mind. Beautiful 03 Honda CR-V 4-wheel drive. All right, with 100,000 miles, with 1 owner, with beautiful Carfax, here for you guys. Thank you for watching. It's an amazing day, by the way. It's almost 5 p.m. Thank you so much, and bye bye.